Hello. Welcome to the M7. Here we bring the best brands for you after research, so that you can make a smart purchasing decision. Today we presents the 5 best power tool combo kits to buy in 2021. Before diving into today's product list, don't forget to hit the subscription button to stay updated. If you want to check further, links have been added in the description box. Let's get started. On top of our list, in first place we have the Dewalt Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. The Dewalt Power Tool set is a great option if you want to switch out several tools at once. Highlights include the 2 speed settings that range from 0 to 1500 RPM for the half-inch drill, and the impact driver, which produces 117 foot-pounds of torque at its maximum level. The reciprocating saw has a 4-position blade clamp, so you can get as close to flush as possible while cutting in various positions. The brushless oscillating tool has several features, including a quick change system that requires no wrench, a grinder with a 7,000 RPM motor, and compact job site blower are included. A charger, 2 batteries, and a job site Bluetooth speaker are included. Features: keyless blade clamp allows for quick blade change without touching. Bright flashlight to illuminate your work. Max airflow. Moving to the next one of the list. In the second position we have the Bosch Power Tools Combo Kit. The Bosch Power Tool Combo Set is an affordable way to add a new drill and impact driver with 2 batteries, a 30-minute charger, and a soft carrying case to your tool collection. The drill is lightweight, which makes it ideal for overhead or tight space operations. It rotates at up to 1300 RPM and has an integrated flashlight for use in poorly lit locations. The impact driver can reach rotation speeds of up to 2600 RPM, and it is easy to use in tight spaces due to its compact size. The driver comes with a variable speed setting, so you can choose its speed. It also has 3 LED lights mounted around the head of the driver, so that you can see your work. Features: powerful drill driver, lightweight design, control and visibility. Coming up next, in third place we have the Makita Cordless Combo Kit. The Makita drill combo with 70-piece bit set allows you to expand your power tool inventory with a high-quality 70-piece bit set. The bit set is compatible with impact drivers and both drills. It includes bits for wood, plastic, and metal, allowing you to tackle more projects around the home. The bits are made of heat-treated modified steel with black oxide, corrosion-resistant coating. However, the impact driver may be the real prize, with variable speeds between 0 to 2600 RPM and an impressive 970 inch-pounds of torque. The driver is compact for reduced user fatigue, and both the driver and the drill have ergonomically designed handles that come with rubberized grips to help protect your hands from vibration and to provide a better grip surface. Features: reduced operator fatigue, impact driver with variable speed, built-in LED light illuminates the work area. Now moving to the number 4. BLACKDECKER Max Cordless Drill Combo Kit. This power tool set lets you clean up and move on to the next job. The kit includes a cordless stick vacuum you can set at 3 different speeds for multiple surfaces. It also has an anti-tangle brush bar that lets you pick up hair and other fibrous materials without clogging, and a built-in filter that increases the vacuum's suction power. The vacuum is compatible with the 2 Max BLACKDECKER batteries that are included. The drill operates at speeds of up to 650 RPM and comes with a keyless chuck so that you can exchange bits quickly without an Allen key or other tool. The circular saw has a tool-free bevel and cut adjustment, and the reciprocating saw works at 3000 strokes per minute. The included LED light can run for up to 11 hours. Features: LED light to illuminate the work surface. 3x cleaning system designed for multi-surface cleanup. Up to 75% better pickup on carpet. In the 5th position we have the Craftsman Cordless Drill Combo Kit. While many 4-piece tool kits include a reciprocating saw for utility cutting, this collection from Craftsman opts for a larger 20-volt max circular saw with 6-inch blade instead. Accompanying the heavier saw, you also get a 1/2-inch cordless drill with a 2-speed gearbox, a cordless impact driver, and a 20-volt max cordless LED pivoting task light. This cordless combo kit from Craftsman gives a solid base from which to build your system. The tools and batteries include a 3-year limited warranty, so you get some peace of mind. You also get the expected drill and impact driver, along with a handy oscillating multi-tool and LED light. Finally, Craftsman includes a pair of compact 2Ah batteries. Features: powerful motor, spindle lock for ease of use, 3-year limited warranty. Thanks for being with M7 throughout this video. We hope that you have already made up your mind for the right best power tool combo kits. Do comment if you have any query, and don't forget to share it with a friend. See you guys in the next video.